Hi, I'm Shelley Morris. Welcome to Elected Member Training. Good governance is a four-way play: knowing your responsibilities, being well informed, representing the community and making good decisions. Let's watch one of Australia's leading governance experts, Jenny Robertson, explain council business in a way we can all understand.
Newly elected members might think about council finances and get a bit nervous. However, looking at the financials is really just about reading the financial story of the council. Accounting terminology might seem strange at first, but understanding these terms will make the council's financial reports or financial story easier to understand. The most important terms to understand are budget, actuals, income, expenses, assets and liabilities. The budget is the council's plan for how much money is going to be spent over the coming year. It is closely linked to the regional plan. It is an estimate or forecast of all the money that will be coming into the council and everything that will be paid out. It's what the council wants to happen financially. Once the budget has been set, one of the important functions for members of council is to be able to monitor whether the budget is being met. One of the ways to do that is to monitor the actuals against the budget. Actuals refer to the actual income and expenses of council. Income is the money coming into council. Regional council's income includes money from government and income from fees and services rendered by council. Expenses are what council has spent. Regional council expenses include money spent in the delivery of services, the maintenance of buildings, and wages. Looking closely at the council's income and expenditure against the budget is called monitoring actuals to budget. Lastly, members need to know what assets and liabilities the council has. An asset is essentially something council owns, such as buildings, land, and machinery. It's also money in the bank. A liability is what council owes. It usually has to be paid back to someone outside of the council. For example, an invoice from a supplier is a liability. Other liabilities could be bank loans and taxes. Just like managing finances at home, it's better for council to have more assets than liabilities. That way, council can pay its bills.
I hope you enjoyed watching Jen's explanation. Now let's recap the key accounting terms you need to know. Understanding these key accounting terms will make it easier to understand council's financial reports. The budget is the plan for how money will be spent in the coming year. Actuals are the actual income and expenses of council. Income is money coming in and expenses are money going out. Assets are what council owns and liabilities are what council owes. And remember, it's okay to ask questions. You can come back and watch this video again. You can ask your council CEO for help or ask your trainer about where to get more advice.